Hey, it's Matt, BlindGuysGarage. And today I guess it's going to be kind of a no-start, cold start video. And we're going to get this whole wagon moved out of the way because it's been sitting here since... last time I worked on it was just before we did the engine build on Holloway's engine. So, yeah, been sitting here probably 2 months. So, let's get it fired up, get it moved. We just moved to the other side of the shop. I got an Explorer in the shop, which you may or may not have seen yet. And I don't even know if I'm going to post videos of it yet. I have videoed it, side to side. So get the Explorer in the shop, or out of the shop, and park it right here. Since the motor's not in it, and it's the easiest place to put stuff that doesn't run. And it's not in the way. This thing currently runs, well, 2 months ago it ran. Keep hearing a ticking noise. What's that noise? Something down there in the yard. So let's see if it runs. Takes here because I sure didn't check the trans fluid, and I know it leaks. This gets real exciting right here because the seat's not bolted down. There we go. Full fluid. No power steering, no brakes. Gets real crazy and exciting. Alright, well that's where she's going to get parked. I'm not so sure I even have a belt on this thing now that I think about it, so probably ran it a little too longer than I should have. Let's go find out. Alright, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't even know if I have a belt on it, like I said. Can't remember if I put one back on it or not. The survey says no belt. Well, that's not good. It ain't bubbling or burling, so we're good. And I know it's full of water because I did top it off with water before we started. So I guess that's good for now. I'll find the belt for it and put it back on it because we used it on Holloway's engine also. So not real sure where I put it. but bring it back in the near future. All right, well, smart guy went and found a belt. There she is. Now we have a belt on it. Isn't that nice? I bet it won't run hot without it. Now let's double check everything else. I know we only have 2 water pump bolts. I'm okay with that. I did put the pulley bolts back where we stole them for that motor. Yeah. So there she is. That pulley's loose. No, it's not. All right, let's fire it back up, let it run for a second, and kind of move it around just a little bit and get her back in her, get her kind of where I want her anyway. I'll probably leave it a little tight on this side so that we can get the lawnmowers through so we don't have to crank it and move it again today. Hey, something's under my toes. What's under my toes? Oh, that's the rear trunk wiring. All right, I hope that's a decent shot. Really don't run bad at all when it's warm outside. Bad I did. Oh, that's not bad. We can take that for $1. Alright, so now we're moving a little water. It's warm, it's not hot, which is good. And there she is. Give you a quick walk around of her real quick if you hadn't seen her already. It's a 71 Chevelle wagon. Plans for it. We got full pans for it now. I don't know if I've told y'all that or not, but we do have the pans for it since they came in. So we'll be replacing both the driver's side and passenger side full pans, as well as about halfway back. For those who don't know, they don't reproduce full pans for wagons. Let's see. I don't know if I can do this with one hand or not. So let's see if we can get the glass open. Oh yeah, look at that. Glass opens up. Got the trunk lid working this way. It also works the other way, but the handle is broke, so you have to grab it right here with this. And it's full of parts. We got carpet and trim and fan shroud and, you know, all kinds of garbage. And I'll hold it down because it'll hit the edge if you don't. There you go. Now we'll pull this baby back up. Don't laugh at my my handle for opening and closing the glass here. I might have to get another hand on it looks like. There we go. Got far enough out to keep the water out. And we'll wander back around here. And you'll see our Swiss cheese and our floorboards in here. There's our floorboards. I started working on the passenger front. I'll take you across over there. And I'll probably go ahead and toss that, a little bit of that in the video for you right here. And as you already seen the driver's side, new dash and all. There's your passenger floorboard. Alright. But I mean, she runs pretty good. I'm really satisfied with the way it runs, considering it's been sitting. That's all it's really done for the last, hell, I think the last time it was drove was 08, or titled was 08. And then here's your driver passenger floorboard. So I've sanded it all down, coated it in some etching primer. It really came out a lot better than I thought it would, but from about right here back is just junk. So yeah, all this from here back is garbage. It needs to be redone, but I'm debating on if I'm gonna replace the whole thing or not. So we'll see. Make that decision whenever it's time to do them. So hope y'all have enjoyed it so far, and for now, wanted to show you she does still live and run. Well, you came along with me whether she lived to run or not, huh? So. like to take a quick brief intermission on the current project we're working on, just to ask y'all to like, share, subscribe, and leave us a comment on the videos, as it helps the channel grow and lets me know what y'all like and don't like about the videos, as well as when you leave a comment, I'm guaranteed to reply because I reply to every comment left in the videos. So there you go. Let's now return to our current project.